would find ourselves living that life of the salmon or of the grizzly bear or rabbit or elk or deer. So we've always understood that there's something to be gained and to be held from the animals. And we always are looking to pass this on.
For the big picture of biodiversity in the West, that Hell's Canyon Wallowa ecosystem is what holds all the pieces together, because almost every species that we find in the Rocky Mountains, we find in the Hell's Canyon Wallowa ecosystem.
These wild lands are the last vestiges of that deep connection between animals and the land and people.
I'm Martin Litton. 70 years ago, I got involved in the efforts to save our public wildlands. In my lifetime, we have managed to save some of our most scenic and imperiled places. But these protected areas are becoming mere islands of habitat, isolated from one another by what we humans have done and are doing to the earth. Our national forests, wildlife refuges, and grasslands are simply given away for logging, oil and gas development, mining, and livestock grazing. Because of this, wildlife populations cannot migrate over their traditional ranges and are increasingly in danger of extinction. We must protect more public lands in ways that will reconnect these vital ecosystems and these migration routes. It'll take new energy, new individuals, a whole new generation of people dedicated to saving our wild public lands.
If it hadn't been for people like Martin Litton, the Grand Canyon would have been flooded by 2 dams. Martin also prevented the construction of dams in Hell's Canyon and helped establish Redwood National Park. Hi, my name is Savannah Ferguson, and I'm a student at Whitman College in Eastern Washington. I am deeply grateful for what conservationists have accomplished, but as Martin said, there's a lot more work to be done. The science of conservation biology tells us the habitat needs of wildlife and plant species extend beyond the boundaries of the areas previous generations protected. We know species survival depends on our efforts to protect the last wild places and to restore areas that connect these ecosystems. This is the work of my generation, and there's no more important place to start than here in the Hell's Canyon Wallowa ecosystem.